Do you know that we have been putting together cinnamon sticks, pom-poms, assorted buttons, and cardstock, all with the idea of sending them to you to help you harvest memories? Here we are in 2020. Last year, we had an amazing Harvesting Memories workshop right in downtown St. Pete. This year, we have the amazing blessing of being able to do this virtually. On November 5th, we will be sending you prior to the event a resource kit that'll have all these assorted things. Things that both Allegra Joffe Farringer and I have decided will help us create family fun, even if it has to be virtually. And they are all sensory and very much memory focused, but fun for everyone. So we'll be crafting a little bit, we'll be playing games, we'll be doing some improvisation. It is November 5th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You can sign up on Eventbrite or you can go to katemccarty.com calendar, hit November 5th. Early registrants will get the live kit. If you register a little later, we'd love to have you, and we will send you email supply list with all the other goodies that we're putting together. Again, this is free thanks to the generosity of several sponsors. So we really hope that you will join us and harvest some memories on November 5th, getting ready for the holidays.